Welcome, I'm Robert Adams, Creative Coaching, Creative Cultures, and I'm here to help you transform yourself to transform the world that we live in. So let me ask you a question. Have you ever felt stuck, uncertain, where to go, what to do next, how to get there? Have you ever thought to yourself, I know something needs to change, but I don't know what, and I don't know what to do about it? Well, I'm here to help you, and my site will be very useful to you. So, two things you can do immediately. First, go over to the right hand side, you'll see an area just like this, sign in, and I'll send you my A to Z power booklet, which will be useful if you're a business for cultural development, or if you're an individual to start thinking through things about yourself. However, second thing you can do, go to the bottom of the page, you'll see a similar sign in page, and I will invite you to a free introductory session on DISC. DISC is personality profiling, and that's about getting to know yourself and others, but in a matter of minutes. Really simple, really easy to understand. Okay, another few things you could do. Go to my blog page, you'll find some useful articles there that you can read through, and also you can follow me on Twitter, so at Robert Adams Disc, and I'll send you daily updates, inspirational, motivational and articles. So enjoy!